this comes out like a little butterfly. Come around the back, you can see this here. Wow, cruise mode. How beautiful is this? Now you see this here? So this is where the electric motor is. And this is what self-balances the bike. Lights go on. Now, look at this. This right here is Koji-san. Now his face has been registered to this bike. All right? Only he can control it. Now, watch this. Are you ready? Okay, ask the bike to come alive.
Come on.
Self-driving bike. And look how this center moves by itself. It is self-balancing. Driving by itself, auto-correcting. You see how it's auto-correcting here? All right. And then we're going to get Koji-san to stop. And it stops. This is one driving position. And this is now where you put your hands when you want to go faster. You lean forward to go faster. Now watch this. You see this? This is your knee pad. And around here, another knee pad. This is made of silicone. This is actually how you move the bike left and right. It will recognize which direction you're pushing in to direct the bike left and right. There is no handlebar. You do it all through the knees. All right, let's take it back. Oh, so cool. All right, let's tell the bike to go back. I mean, come on guys, is this the future or what? What do you reckon? Okay, and we'll get the bike to stop. This is the Motoro 2 by Yamaha. What do you think? Okay, now we turn it off. Around here. This one. Goes on its side. And that's that. Thank you so much.